Hi, I'm James.
I'm Lauren.
This is our home, Narre Warren South. Outside of renovating our home, we own a decking business called Rawnick Industries. We've been operating that for 5 years now, specialising mostly in composite decking.
We renovated our first house. This is our second house. We've been here for about 2.5 years now. We've completely renovated the whole thing.
I personally like the bones of this house and its positioning, but just didn't like the style of it. So thought there was an opportunity there to make it our own. Previously, the flooring was tiled throughout and a pinky sort of carpet. We recarpeted with grey carpet and laid down Heartridge Highland Oak hybrid flooring over the tiles.
The installation of the Heartridge Highland Oak boards were super easy to install. I'm not an expert in installing this kind of stuff, and it was super easy for me to just lay it over the tiles. Installation for the flooring took us about 2 days, maybe just over a weekend.
Yeah, it was really basic to work around all the tricky edges and the different shaped walls. I didn't find any problems with that. It was also satisfying work that I just clip in together and you see progress pretty quickly. So yeah, definitely we'll do it again in the next home.
I find that maintaining these boards are super easy. They're very, very easy to clean. I vacuum and mop, and there's no issues with like marks and that kind of stuff. They come out straight away. And they don't show a lot of mess and stuff too, which is really important to me. So yeah, they're very easy to maintain.
And we also didn't mention that it actually feels good on your foot as well.
It does, yeah.
It does feel good compared to some other brands that we've seen or used in the past. It does look and feel good. We're pretty busy during the week. We don't spend much time at home during the week, but come weekends we love to just spend time around the house because we've created an environment that we find relaxing. So the Heartridge Highland Oak flooring looks the same as the day we installed it. We've been here for over 2 years now. We've had multiple parties where glasses have been dropped, and it still looks the same. There's no damages, no marks or nothing.
We love our Heartridge hybrid Highland Oak flooring. We would definitely recommend it to anyone who's looking at installing flooring in their own homes.